Dear colleagues, dear friends, good morning. My name is Clara Brunhuber. I work at Elsevier and I'm based in London, UK, and I'm Vice Chair of EVBRES. Thank you so much for coming. It's wonderful to see some familiar and some new faces. You've been incredibly patient, reading email after email, filling in form after form, battling bureaucracy, harsh weather conditions, unfamiliar food, just to be here with us today at this first workshop of EVBRES. In the first session, we will hear from 3 speakers who have not had to travel very far, because they are all based here at the Western Norway University of Applied Sciences. First, we will hear from Rector Berit Rokne, who will welcome us here and also talk about the importance of networking and collaboration in research and education. The second speaker will be Alice Qualle, who is the Pro-Dean of Research at the Faculty of Health and Social Sciences. And then finally, Hans Lund, our very own chair and Professor of Evidence-Based Practice here at HVL, will give us an introduction into the cost action EVBRES. Berit, the floor is yours.
Yes, I think so. It's hopefully this will be okay. Guests and colleagues, it is a great pleasure for me to welcome you all to the EVBRES Coast Action Workshop at Western Norway University of Applied Sciences, abbreviated as HVL. HVL is one of the largest higher education institutions in Norway with 16,000 students. And we have the largest teacher training education in Norway, and our nurse education and engineer education are among the largest in the country. We offer a broad range of academic programs at bachelor's, master's and PhD levels. And if you think that this campus here at Kronstad is the only campus, it's not. This is one of 5 campuses located at the coast of Western Norway. So we say we are really the Western Norway University because we have a quite long distance from the campus in south, Haugesund, and up to the campus in north, Førde. So you have only visited one part of the institution. And our ambition is to be a university with a clear professional and working life oriented profile. We aim for quality in education and professional life. And in our new strategy, we emphasize 3 main areas that will characterize our institution: interaction, sustainability, and innovation. And in the light of our strategy, this workshop is of greatest importance. If healthcare is to be sustainable, evidence-based practice is necessary. Sackett stated already in 1996 that it is important to integrate individual clinical expertise with the best available external clinical evidence from research. The integration of clinical expertise, patient values and best research evidence into the decision-making process for patient care is the essential of evidence-based practice, as I'm sure you know. And my previous life, as I said, I was a professor in nursing science, and I have myself been engaged in many discussions about evidence-based practice, both from a philosophical view and related to methodology and implementation of best practice. But your reason for being here today is to make sure that the research in health is worthwhile and covers relevant issues. Important questions will be: are today's studies raising the questions needed about the challenges we face in Health Norway or Health Europe? Or are they looking for answers of things we already know? HWL is very eager to make sure that our research is of high quality and makes a difference to the patients and clinicians. Or in other words, our aims is that no irrelevant research will be published from HWL. And the use of systematic reviews is a prerequisite when justifying and designing new studies. And I'm very proud that Professor Lund will lead this Coast Action Network. Professor Lund and other faculty members is very, very dedicated of evidence-based practice and has been it for years. And to bring more dedicated scientists together, as here today, is fruitful. International collaboration brings the knowledge within this and other fields forward. And I hope you will challenge today's knowledge and bring forward new creative ideas. This international workshop has created a wide interest among researchers in whole Europe. You will be amongst 85 not members, I would say, maybe members of the network, participation. And you are coming from 24 countries out of 38 possible. And I've also been told that today here is not only health researchers but also programmers and librarians, because one need different disciplines to succeed with these issues raised in this network. And that's exciting, and it is also in the heart of the HWL of how we want to work as an institution. We need to work together and share our knowledge and to find new solutions. This network has the potential to be the driving force in meeting challenges associated with research studies we already know the answers of, and to see opportunities and find ways to prevent it from continuing. Doing research is expensive. We need to put efforts in bringing knowledge forward. Many of you represent the research field evidence-based practice. Perhaps in the next few days' discussion will lead to new researchers being interested in the topic and will be joining you in the future. So I wish you good luck with the workshops and the discussions, and I must admit that I'm a little bit envious. I would have been very interesting to join you in the discussions. So, welcome again. I hope you will have fine days here in Bergen. Probably you will have a little bit rain in addition to the snow, but not at least have a good time.